Okay, on the bench today, of course, golden tea. Now, what's happening with this is it's just locked on D20. It's just on, right? You hit reset. There's no little blink, no little flash, and then flashing. No nothing. I mean, dead. I check signals between here, here, here. Everything is here. I'm just like, okay, there's something wildly wrong going on here. I'm missing something. Even after going into test mode, and I don't mean this test mode, I mean holding start while turning the machine on and waiting to see what the diagnostic flashes are, I don't even get that. What's funny is I do get reset, all the way through here. So hitting reset, right? I get reset. Let me see if I can just stay focused here. I get reset through all of this, right? Pin 185 and the different pins here, everywhere. So I'm like, no, there's something going on. I need to do continuity test, which I don't normally have to between here and here because, I mean, in that short of distance, right, usually you can see what's happening. Not in this case. After digging away, I mean, it's probably still hard to see. Sorry, I'm just grabbing something here. After digging and digging and digging away, again, that's just because it's wet. There is no continuity, and it is so difficult to see. But there is no continuity between pin. Well, that's 90, obviously, so backwards, right? So like 90, 89, right? But there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no continuity between this pin and that via, which that via then leads up to here. Now that, I mean, again, these are thick. Let me see if I can get, give me 2 seconds here. So I'm just going to back you out here. I'm just going to clean that up a bit. I mean, it was so hard to tell, and it is. I know you think, well, now, because it's so obvious, like, oh, yeah, there's definitely no continuity there. No, that was damn near impossible to see at first. I went through this nonstop. And it literally is just that pin. I'm thinking that if I repair that trace, and I don't even probably have to go far. I don't have to go from, say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from here all the way to that via, right? I'm thinking I just scrape that back a bit, right? And just make a small wire from here to where it's good. I know, again, it looks, because I'm so zoomed in, right? That, oh, that's so, Aaron, it's right there. No, it definitely was not that obvious. It just was not that obvious. It really wasn't. So let me make that repair. Actually, here, let me zoom you out here. Let me get you set up. Come on, you. Let me just get rid of that. I'll put this on just for shits and giggles sake here. And you'll see that is just solid. Nothing on the reset. But again, on the reset lines, well, that's because this isn't plugged in. Shit. You do need it just so I can make proper ground, because this is to a different power supply. But anyways, you can hear it. I had reset, and even had reset up, which you still can't see, but I even had reset up here, which you're supposed to have, which is why it was throwing me off. And like I said, I had continuity between everything except that one little thing I found. And I went through this a few times. So let me make that small little tiny trace repair and see if we get some action here. Okay, so I made that quick little repair there, and now we do have continuity between here, here, and here, and up here. So, let's just see. We do it together. Why not, right? Where are we looking at? Right here. I need that for some input, just in case. Oh, I don't have a hard drive or anything hooked up, so who cares? But we just want to see if that blinks. No. Oh, hello. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, you fucker. So, you can tell by this sticker, I had already removed this and redid this. Right? I swear. Oh, I'm telling you, I checked, but apparently I didn't check well enough. Because again, I mean, that was really, really hard to see. Okay, hold on. Let's get a hard drive and let's see what this thing does. I don't even know like what version it's on or anything, so give me a second here. Okay, so we got a drive hooked up, and it's just to see if it gets into booting and see, you know, what version it is. What do we have here? What do we have here? I don't know, only because, well, that says G45, so it's either 2005, but I don't know if I pulled this out of one of my stashes and just put it in just to have one. I don't know. So let's see what we got here. See if we have any more issues. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like that. Okay, so we got a mismatch here. So, yeah, that is G45. I hate the fact that it says tournament board. I really do. Okay, so that was weird. But anyways, okay. So let me check this. Let me change that out. Let me change this out, get this right, and then I'll be right back. Okie dokie. So we got that swapped out with 2006 complete. We got that swapped out, 2006 complete. I threw a real-time clock in just because if it does work, it'll end up booting to the let's get that off of test. It'll boot into the IT, calling IT, so whatever. Well, let's see if that's a win. And then we'll have to hook up trackball just to make sure we have proper inputs. I expect that. I won't make you sit for this. Hang on. Okay. Excuse my furnace. It's cold in the lab. Come on, baby. Be the right thing. Okay, good. Good numbers. Okay. Come on, fire up. Come on. You can do it. Yes. Okay, do we have inputs? Oh, we do.
Welcome to Golden.
Okay, hang on here.
Hi, I'm Pat Summerall, and with me is Peter Jacobson. Peter?
Hi,
You'll have to bear with the view for a second, guys. You know how we do around here. We just get it done. Yeah. Let's get trackball in. Okay. We do. I think it's free play, right? Yeah, it is. So, okay. Do we have trackball?
Hi, I'm Pat
Ha ha ha.
With me is
We do.
Peter
Do we
Jacobson.
have start and everything? We do. Excellent.
Thanks, Pat. I'm all set for a great round of Golden Tee golf.
We're here
So am
at
I.
Mystic
Well, somebody
Hills
will be when
on
they
a
get the
drizzly,
board.
damp afternoon.
Do we have full control of everything? We do. Hey, we do. Excellent. Freaking excellent.
Golfer one.
All right. So, yeah, all right.
Good stuff, Pat.
That's what a pain in the butt. I thought I checked all that, but apparently I didn't. Well, I didn't well enough. So again, you know, that's good visual inspection is so needed. Okay, so well, that's another one. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.